there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have 4 alternative cards with the stack, cut, and shuffle method featuring the Lovely Lavender Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let's get started. I'm stamping the lavender image from the kit with Gorgeous Grape ink on Gorgeous Grape cardstock measuring 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. Then I cut down 2 of the card bases from the kit into panels measuring 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. Now I have 4 patterned papers to cut and shuffle. I stack 2 of the patterns together to cut at one time. I'm cutting the long edge at 1.5 inches, rotate the cardstock 90 degrees, and cut the short edge at 1.5 inches. And I repeat the 2 cuts with the remaining 2 pieces of patterned paper. Make sure the 2 layers have the edges aligned. I have 4 basic white mats measuring 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I take 1 piece from each stack and place it on the card. Keep shuffling until all of the cut pieces are on the card fronts. Then glue into place. Now it's time to decorate. I used the foliage as well as other die cuts from the kit for the majority of the cards. Glue dots and dimensionals placed strategically provide lots of depth. I love the addition of linen thread too. Layers and more layers. Each card is a little bit different than the prior one. For my last card, I used the Love of Spring dies add-on and cut out the word love from Berry Burst. I also added a small strip of Lost Lagoon cardstock behind the white strip. And for the last card, I layered the foliage on the front of the label. For written instructions and close-up photos, please visit my blog at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!